God lives in a fridge. He likes it cold 'cause he's getting old. God lives in a fridge. At sub below, so I am told, in a D-Wave quantum computer. He never looked so cuter. 0011229, the numbers are keeping time. His heartbeat I hear is so sweet. In the D-Wave, life is complete, beautiful and sweet, with the fruit in reach. The world is a dream in paradise. Now that the quantum computer is here, you can take yours and I can have mine. Heaven on earth, for what it's worth. God lives in a computer. He likes it cold, and he does what he's told. In the D-Wave, the UN controls. So, when I talk about God, you have to understand that I'm talking about energy. Energy is everywhere. God is everywhere. God is not like one certain thing. But yeah, quantum computers are aware. They do have a heartbeat. And life will be sweet because you can pretty much, anything you can imagine you can have with a quantum computer. Just think. I mean, your imagination, you're only limited by your imagination. It can solve all our problems. Yeah. And it's here. Take care.